What do you think was the most important invention of the last millennium? Was it the steam engine that powered the Industrial Revolution, the printing press that spread knowledge and ideas around the world, or maybe it was the internet, which has connected us in ways we could have never imagined just a few decades ago? Well, I would argue that the most important invention of the last millennium is something much more fundamental, something that we take for granted every single day, but without which all these other inventions would be impossible. And that invention is electricity. Just think about it. Without electricity, we wouldn't have the power to run our machines or light our homes. We wouldn't be able to communicate instantly with people on the other side of the globe or access an infinite library of information at our fingertips. And now we're on the brink of another invention that has the potential to be just as transformative: artificial intelligence. For creative professionals, AI is already changing the game in a big way. Let's take graphic designers, for example. In the past, creating a high quality design required a lot of time and effort. You had to start with a blank canvas and build everything from scratch. But with AI, designers can now use tools like Adobe Sensei to automate much of the process. They can start with a basic concept or sketch and then let the AI handle the details like color palette, typography, and layout. This frees up designers to focus on the creative aspect of their work, while the AI takes care of the tedious parts. The same is true for filmmakers and photographers. AI-powered tools like Luminar AI and Skylum's Aurora HDR can help them automate tasks like color grading, noise reduction, and even compositing. This means that creatives can spend more time on the things that matter most, like telling the compelling story and capturing the perfect moment. But it's not just creatives who are benefiting from AI. Entrepreneurs are also finding new ways to use AI to increase productivity and drive innovation. One of the most promising areas for AI in entrepreneurship is customer service. Chatbots powered by AI can now handle a wide range of customer inquiries and support requests, freeing up human staff to focus on more complex tasks. AI is also being used to automate business processes like accounting, inventory management, and even marketing. Tools like Xero and QuickBooks use machine learning algorithms to categorize transactions, reconcile accounts, and generate financial reports. And platforms like HubSpot and Marketo can help businesses automate their lead generating platform and email marketing campaigns. To me, one of the most exciting things about AI is how it's leveling the playing field for small creators and entrepreneurs. In the past, big businesses had all the resources and manpower to dominate their markets, but with AI-powered tools, small businesses can now compete on a much more level playing field. For example, if you're a small YouTuber trying to grow your channel, you can use AI to help you optimize your videos for search engines and social media. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can analyze your content and suggest tags, titles, and descriptions that will help you rank higher in search results. And if you're a small e-commerce business trying to compete with Amazon, you can use AI-powered tools like Shopify and BigCommerce to automate your inventory management, shipping, and customer service. You can also use AI to personalize your marketing messages and recommend products to customers based on the browsing and purchase history. As we wrap up, it's important to acknowledge that there are concerns surrounding AI and its impact on employment. Some people worry that the rise of AI will lead to widespread job displacement, leaving many without work. But as with technological advancement, there are also opportunities. AI has the potential to create entirely new industries and jobs that we can't even imagine yet. And for those who are willing to learn and adapt, it can be an incredibly powerful tool for unlocking new levels of productivity, creativity, and profitability. In fact, this entire script was written using AI. I simply provided the initial prompt and the machine learning algorithm did the rest. And while AI is still in its early stages, it's already changing the game for creatives and entrepreneurs in ways we could have never imagined possible just a few years ago. So whether you're a filmmaker looking to streamline your post-production process, a graphic designer seeking new sources of inspiration, or an entrepreneur trying to find innovative solutions to business challenges, AI is a technology that you cannot afford to ignore. So I hope that this has been helpful, and until next time, God bless. Hey, Estevan here. Thanks so much for watching that video. I hope you got some really good information and enjoyed it as well. If you did, then you know the drill. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos. I know I haven't posted in a while, but thanks for sticking around and waiting for me. I really appreciate it. I'm going to try to really get better at posting consistently. I realized that this video was more informative with a little less editing in it. I'm trying a new style, so if you liked it, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, so until next time, stay creative, take care, and God bless. Estevan out.